Hello, good morning. This is Edwin Pineda. I'm a home business dad, and thank you for visiting our blog, edwinpineda.net. And today our topic is about what are the three common mistakes of a brand new network marketer. Okay, so actually there are three, and let's move on. No? So very first na nagiging problem ng network marketer is yung kailangan nating improve yung personality natin. Kaya nga meron tayong personality development sa company natin. So we need to attend those business meetings, those trainings, and also within ourselves kailangan improve natin yung sarili natin. And one of the very important na kailangan mo improve is yung abundance mindset. What do I mean by abundance mindset? Is yung in yourself, hindi yung lagi kang lacking. Iniisip mo na, naku, bukas magbabayad ako ng kuryente. Naku, bukas baka wala akong pamasahe. Naku, bukas wala akong pambiling ulam. So, pag ganun laging iniisip mo, nangyayari sa sarili mo, natatakot ka kung ano magiging result naman dun sa business mo. So for example, no, kailangan yung, ito is magandang example. For example, merong nag-serve sa restaurant, no? So, waiting table siya, no? And nag-serve siya dun sa isang customer. Sasabihin niya, water sir. Bigyan ng water. Okay. The second table na naman, alokin na naman niya, sir, water. Tapos, sabi naman nung second customer, no thanks. Anong gagawin nung waiting table yung nagsaserve ng water? Pupunta ba siya dun sa kusina tapos mag-iiyak? Of course not. Kasi part yun ng business niya. And hindi siya takot kung gustuin ng customer ng gusto ng tubig or ayaw ng tubig. Okay? So kasi part ng business yun. And so that is also that kailangan mong i-apply yan sa network marketing business mo. If you are offering a product from your company or a service from your company, kailangan nandun yung abundance mindset. Okay? So, mula from the beginning, getting leads, prospecting, and or even joining them to your business, kailangan nandun yung abundance mindset na huwag mong ipakita na lacking ka, needy ka, kailangan mo sila para tamakbo yung business mo. Okay? Kaya nga merong kasabihan na someone will join, some won't join, and kung ayaw naman nila, so what will you say? So what? Okay? Or somebody's waiting. Okay? So isipin mo lang yan, yung abundance mindset. Every time na you're doing your business, isipin mo na it's okay lang kung they want to join or not. It's up to them kung gusto nilang mag-join sa business. Okay? So mamaya di-discuss ko pa further yung about that topic. And second naman is yung taking action. Okay? So what will happen pagka nag-join ka sa business? Kaya nga maririnig din natin, 'di ba, yung analyze, paralyze. Kasi pag nag-join ka ng business or any business opportunity, anong ginagawa? Titingnan yung company, titingnan yung credibility, okay? Titingnan yung business plan, okay? Compensation plan, titingnan yung product, tetestingin muna kung okay talaga, kung gumagana. Tapos sulat yung pangalan, tapos kung ano-ano pang ginagawa sa computer, hanggang sa dumating ng time, mabot ng 1 month or let's say 2 weeks, 3 weeks, wala na, no? Naging busy ka na para maging handa ka dun sa tunay na work mo as network marketing, no? Which is getting leads, prospecting, and getting them to join to your business. So anong nangyayari, dahil na occupy na lahat yung time mo, is sinasabi mo, ay, hindi totoo tong network marketing, wala akong result. Kasi nga, na-occupy na lahat yung ginawa mo. Study ka ng study, training ka ng training, and chine-check mo lahat about your company, and di ka naman lumalabas, hindi mo naman ina-apply yung mga ginagawa mo. And so what will happen is wala ring mangyayari sa ano mo, business mo. Okay? So, number 3 is yung tinatawag na don't try to sell or convince. I know medyo ano kasi dapat talaga sa network marketing is we have to sell and to convince, but ang pinaka main objective natin is not to convince or not to sell. Ang main concern natin is to qualify our prospects, okay? Ask questions and interview them. If they are, kung sila talaga yung para sa business mo, no? So, because ikaw rin ang mahihirapan, no? Kung nag-join ka ng isang person na hindi naman talaga para sa kanya yung business, okay? So, nangyari, pa-join mo nga siya sa company mo, pero virtually, nag-join siya, pero sa sarili niya, dahil na-convince mo lang siya, not on his or her own decision, so what will happen? Pansamantala lang, panandalian lang yung success na natanggap mo, na nagawa mo sa business mo. So all you have to do is to ask questions, qualify them, and expose them to your business. And finally, empower them to decision on their own. Okay? So, yun lang ang nais kong i-share sa inyo in this video, and I hope you learn from what I've shared to all of you. And once again, this is Edwin Pineda. Please subscribe also dun sa newsletter natin. Meron tayong dyan 7 bootcamp videos about how to attract more leads into your network marketing business. Okay? So once again, thank you and bye-bye.